Hello, today we are going to talk about Edexcel IGCSE 91 Chemistry Paper 1 First question 2024 May. First question, the box gives the names of some substances. They are bromine, chlorine, diamond, ethene, iodine, lithium, methane, and water. Paper. Complete the table by choosing a substance from the box that matches each description. Each substance may be used once, more than once, or not at all. So we see the description, a good conductor of electricity. So we know here in the given substances, only metal is lithium. We know metals are good conductors of electricity. So answer is lithium. An element that is a liquid at room temperature. We know bromine is a liquid at room temperature. A substance that can be used to form a polymer. We know we use ethene to make polymer. So ethene. An element that forms a basic oxide. We know all metal oxides are basic oxides, so lithium. A substance that has a giant covalent structure. We know it is diamond. So paper. Describe a test for chlorine. Yeah. So chlorine, we know it is a bleaching gas. If we keep some colored, for example, colored petals, so this petal will get bleached. So use damp blue litmus paper. The litmus paper bleach, or we can tell it as turns white.